Hey everyone! We've got some exciting news from SpaceX and the National Reconnaissance Office, NRO. On May 22, SpaceX launched the first batch of next-generation spy satellites for the NRO. Let's dive into the details of this classified mission, known as NRO 146. This mission marks SpaceX's 52nd launch of the year, and the fifth time the Falcon 9 rocket has carried out a mission for the NRO. The Falcon 9 lifted off from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California at 4 a.m. Eastern. What's really impressive is that this rocket's first stage was flying its 16th mission. After completing its task, it successfully landed on a drone ship stationed in the Pacific Ocean. This marks the 310th recovery of a first-stage booster for SpaceX. Continuing their streak of remarkable achievements in reusable rocket technology, before we continue, your support is crucial for us to keep bringing you these exciting updates. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video so you can stay up to date with the latest space news at now. Because this mission is classified, SpaceX didn't show images of the rocket's upper stage and ended the webcast after the first stage landing. But here's what we know: the NRO designs and operates highly secretive surveillance and intelligence satellites for the US government. NRO 146 is the first deployment of a new imaging satellite constellation built by SpaceX and Northrop Grumman. The NRO hasn't disclosed the exact number of satellites launched or the total size of this new constellation. However, they have ambitious plans. They've announced that there will be 6 launches in 2024 to build out their new network of small satellites. The goal is to quadruple the number of spacecraft in orbit. By using smaller and more numerous satellites, the NRO aims to have more frequent revisits to critical areas, which means faster delivery of crucial intelligence. Thanks for tuning in to this update. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.